Hey Andrew, okay, real quick, here is the back. So you pop this thing out. So this goes in here, and this whole thing slides when you pull it forward. So this guy right there will slide in there. Same with that side on that end. So here it is like this. All right, so you're gonna take the whole cover, you're gonna fold it like that. So this is the back, this is the front. You're just going to put it in at an angle and make sure that these knobs go into the grooves there. Right there, and there. Press it in until it clicks, and then you're gonna pull this one forward and insert this knob into that little guide. And now, if you press the button, it will slide back and forth. That's it.